Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can exit switch control when your entire phone is just going completely crazy. You can't touch anything anymore and you're just stuck in switch control. For some reason you can't disable it, you can't touch your screen anymore. I just don't know what's currently happening, but this is one of the weird things with switch control, that you just can't use your phone sometimes and it's just going completely crazy. So here's how you can disable switch control without touching your iPhone. All you need to do, it's really easy. All you need to do is go to your power button right here, and we're going to simply tap it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And we can see switch control is now disabled, and if we now go here, now we can touch our screen again, and we can see that switch control is now also disabled. And if we now enable it again, we can see that it's going completely crazy again and we can't do anything anymore. And if we just want to disable it again, simply touch the power button 3 times again and it's gone again. So that's how you can disable switch control on your iPhone if it's going absolutely crazy. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.